A very good morning to my dear students. Today I am going to teach you English grammar. And the topic for today is comprehension. Comprehension means a story given to you when you have to read twice, thrice, understand it, and then answer the questions based on the story. In short, comprehension means to comprehend, to understand. So, let's begin with our story. Chapter number 9, The Elephant and the Pots. Once there lived a potter named Velen in a village called Pulier. He was making arrangements for his son's wedding. He planned to have a grand procession on the night of the wedding. He wished to take his son and the bride on an elephant's back round the village in a procession. There was a moneylender who lived in the village. His name was Manik Chand. He had an elephant. Velen went to him and said, "Sir, may I borrow your elephant for my son's wedding procession?" The moneylender agreed to lend him his elephant. On the day of the wedding, the bride and the bridegroom went riding on the elephant. All the guests walked behind slowly, listening to the sweet music. What a grand procession it was! How happy everyone was! After the procession, when Velen was taking the elephant back to Manik Chand's house, the elephant suddenly fell down and died. Velen was shocked and very sad. He rushed to Manik Chand and reported this. "Sir, I am very sorry. Your elephant died all of a sudden. I will give you the price of the elephant, or I will get you another elephant. I am extremely sorry." Manik Chand was very sad, but he did not agree to take the money from Velen. He wanted only his own elephant and not any other. Velen begged him, but Manik Chand was stubborn. "Give me back my elephant, or I will take you to court, said he. Manikchand complained to the judge that Velan did not return his elephant. Velan explained to the judge, Your Honor, it is true. I borrowed his elephant and took it in the procession, but it died suddenly. I did not kill it. I am very sorry. I am ready to pay the price. Please, Your Honor, make him agree to this. The judge said to Manikchand, Your elephant died suddenly. You must accept money or another elephant in its place. But Manikchand could not listen to the judge. He said, Your Honor, he borrowed the elephant from me. He must return only that elephant. The judge asked them to come the next morning. Then he called Velan and said, Don't come to court in the morning. Stay in your house. Keep your pots near the door and close it. I will ask Manikchand to come to your house to call you. He will open the door in a hurry and all the pots will be broken. Then shout and call the neighbors. Tell them your pots were broken by Manikchand. He will offer you money for the pots. Don't accept it. Come and report it to me. Velan did as the judge told him. Manikchand Velan's pots while entering his house. Velan hollowed, Oh, my pots, my precious pots, my forefathers' pots, all this man. Manikchand said, I will give you money or I will buy you a new pots. But Velan said, No, I want only my pots. They are my family property. Come, I will take you to court. The judge listened to Velan's case. He turned to Manikchand and said, What do you say now? You must return the same pots to Velan. Manikchand realized his mistake. The judge said, If you return the same pots to Velan, he will return the same elephant to you. This was impossible. Poor Manikchand had to go away without getting anything. He lost his money because of his silly stubbornness. I hope you all have understood the story very well. Now, you will be given few questions based on this story. So, you have to look for the answers from this story and Write them in your English grammar workbook. Question number 8. Answer the following questions. Your first question. Why did Velen need an elephant? Answer. Velen planned to have a grand procession on the night of his son's wedding. Question number 2. Why was Velen unable to return the elephant to Manik Chand? Answer. The elephant suddenly fell down and died. Question number 3. Why was Manik Chand not ready to take money from Velen? Answer. Manik Chand wanted the same elephant he had lent out. Question number 4. Why did the judge ask Velen to keep the pots near the door? Answer. The judge wanted Manik Chand to accidentally break the pots in order to teach him a lesson. Question number 5. What do you learn from this story? Answer. We should not be stubborn. Question number B. Find and write words from the passage that means the same as. Your first. Hurried or quick, meaning is suddenly. Second. Hard to convince, stubborn. Third, one who makes clay pots, potter. Fourth, take something to return later, borrow. Question number C. Make a sentence each with the words you wrote. Your first sentence. Suddenly it started raining. Your second sentence for stubborn is Manik Chand was a stubborn man. Your third word potter sentence is I live near a potter's house. Your fourth word borrow sentence is you can borrow book from the library. Dear students, please write the following worksheet in your English grammar workbook, page number 27 and 28. Have a nice day. Thank you.